But basically you take like whatever the pulse of the track is, so let's say the pulse is 120, but then you have a different subdivision happening over the top of that, and then from that subdivision you make that be the new pulse of the song. I think that's more interesting. And a lot of artists do it, like Cohen Sound did it in a song. I think they did it in their Rezo remix. I've done it in like 2 or 3 songs. To me it just sounds like a way more interesting way to get to a different feel. I don't remember freezing that. All right, let's go hi-hat. So let's say at 150 BPM we have a hi-hat that's doing something like this. And then let's get a click over the top. And then over the top, let's do a dotted half note, I suppose. So dotted just means the value plus a half. So dotted would be like this. So the tempo is 150, which is this. But you have 2 pulses going there, right? So eventually if you remove that and then treat that as your new pulse, you know, and then there's like dun, 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 dun. Like, you know, you go from one feel at 150 to another feel slowly by having 2 things in the beat and then just removing the one that you were using before.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Yeah, that's usually how I would deal with tempo automation. I just think it's much more interesting than just automating tempo.